this is, India's sport. So you said that Kabaddi is gaining recognition in India. That many people are watching India. But what about the international countries? Have we brought the change of recognizing the Kabaddi in international countries?
Okay, I'll give you some information on Kabaddi. More nations on earth play Kabaddi than they do cricket. How's that for a statistic? 36 nations officially have a Kabaddi team. We have 2 new international players with us. Mohammad is from Iran. He's just come in yesterday. Hwangi is from Korea. Iran reached the finals of the Asian Games where they lost to India. Thank God. And India is the undisputed champions. But last year we had Jangkun Lee from Korea who made a huge impact. So 36 nations officially play Kabaddi. So Kabaddi is growing. I was asked last year, why is it not in the Olympics? The International Olympic Committee has a rule that minimum 55 nations need to play the sport and need to have a federation. Kabaddi has reached 36. Canada, America, Denmark, Netherlands, France, England, Kenya, Korea, Iran, Iraq, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Nepal. These are all nations that are fantastic. We had David Tsai last year from Taipei. So it's a sport that is growing very fast. It needs 55 countries with federations to be in the Olympics. And part of what we're trying in Pro Kabaddi League is also to have as many international players come in so that that sport gets even more attention back home. So it is a sport that has made a huge impact, and Pro Kabaddi League has impacted the sport of Kabaddi worldwide. So like I said, more countries play Kabaddi than they do cricket.
My question is to Navneet. I'm sorry I was interrupted. Navneet, last time you all lost the first game, but you all won the series. This time what do you want? You want to win the first game or lose the first game?
जरूर जीतने के लिए आए हैं, जीत के जाएंगे. हमारा जो मोटिव है वो प्रो कबड्डी सीजन 2 विन करने का. 100% मैं बिल्कुल श्योर हूँ, मेरे जितने भी कुलीग्स बैठे हैं यहाँ पे, इनकी तरफ से कि हम जीतने के लिए आए हैं. बहुत मेहनत करी है हमने, बहुत दिन रात एक किए हैं सारी मेहनत के लिए. कोच साहब ने हमें बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत कराई है और उम्मीद करते हैं कल का मैच हम जीतें और इसके साथ में प्रो कबड्डी सीजन 2 भी हम जीत के जाएंगे.
नवनीत, पिछले साल के विनर हैं आप और इस साल भी आपके.
नवनीत ये है आलोक. यूजुअली ये सबसे पहला सवाल पूछते हैं, आज पता नहीं पीछे रह गए.
सारा सेंटर में बैठा हुआ. नवनीत, टाइटल है आपके पास, उसको फिर बचाना है इस साल भी. और लास्ट ईयर हमने देखा था कि सब कुछ चंद मिनटों में हो जाता है. तो फील्ड पे क्या स्ट्रेटजी रहती है कप्तान के रूप में, आप जब किसी भी रेडर को भेजते हैं?
देखिए, मेरा ये मानना है एज ए पर्सनल स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन, मैं ये सोचता हूँ एज ए कैप्टन कि कबड्डी बहुत माइनर सेकंड्स में इसकी स्ट्रेटजी चेंज हो सकती है. और बहुत अब मान लीजिए कि वहाँ पे अपोनेंट टीम में 3 मेंबर्स हैं और वहाँ पे डिफेंडर नहीं है, सारे रेडर खड़े हैं, तो और कोई कबड्डी के रूल्स अगर कोई जानता हो तो वहाँ पे अगर थर्ड रेड मेरे को डिसाइड करना है, अगर कैच होगी तो 2 पॉइंट्स होंगे, तो मेरे को कौन सा रेडर उस वक्त भेजना है, कौन से प्लेयर्स को हमें डिस्टर्ब करना है, किस प्लेयर को हमें ज़्यादा ऊपर लेके आना है, ये सारी जो स्ट्रेटेजियाँ हैं वो हमें उसी वक्त माइनर सेकंड्स के अंदर चेंज करनी पड़ती हैं कि बस हमें ये मैच जीतना है, उसकी कैच मारनी है. एज ए डिफेंडर मैं ये सोचता हूँ और एज ए ऑफेंडर ये सोचेंगे कि कैसे मैं पॉइंट लेके आऊँ ताकि मैं हमारी टीम का स्कोर बढ़ा सकूँ. तो विद इन माइनर सेकेंड्स में सारा डिसीजन चेंज हो सकता है.
अभिषेक, टीम है आपकी, तो लास्ट ईयर जैसे पहला मैच वो हारी भी थी. हार और जीत को एज अ ओनर किस तरीके से लेते हैं आप? लाइक जिस पल वो हारते हैं या जीतते हैं तो
कोई भी हारना किसी को पसंद है नहीं आलोक. बट मैंने हमेशा बॉयज से कहा है कि हार जीत हमारे हाथ में नहीं है, हम लोग मेहनत कर सकते हैं. आई वॉन्ट द पिंक पैंथर्स not to be known just as champions, but as champions that give it everything. Play 100%. That's all I can ask of them. I cannot say कि आप जीत के ही आइए. I'll never do that. I was a sportsman myself. That, like जैसे नवनीत अभी समझा रहे थे, there's so many variables that happen. Whether they win or lose, I love them as much as I do. They're my family. What I demand of them is that they give 100%. And the wonderful thing is they don't give 100%, they give 500%.
फिल्म की व्यस्तता रहेगी, खबरें थी कि आप कुछ मैचेस होंगे जो शायद आप मिस भी कर जाएं, तो इसमें कितनी सच्चाई है?
I will not miss any matches. I'll fly back from wherever I am. I'm going to be busy promoting All Is Well, which is releasing on the 21st of August. But I've worked around my schedule. This is, like I said, this is as important for me, so I will be there for all the matches. Hanji. Hanji? Which games I used to play? I used to play basketball, skiing, and athletics.
Hi, Abhishek.
Hi,
Pia from
sorry,
CNN.
if you can just put your hands up and we'll get the mic across to you. Yeah.
Pia from CNN IBN.
Yes,
Hi.
I know.
Okay, so we heard your father singing the anthem for the Pro Kabaddi
Ji.
League. We totally loved it.
Thank you.
How difficult was it for you to convince him to, probably, sing for it? And secondly, of course, we believe he's going to be singing the national anthem at the opening of the Pro Kabaddi League. How true is that?
Okay. First of all, I didn't have to convince him. Star Sports had to convince him, and they obviously did a very good job. Dad is dad, you know. I've always said, I think whatever he does the best. And I love the song. The boys love the song of Le Panga. And I think he's done a fantastic job. Not very many people know, but he's composed the song as well. So it's not only sung by him, he's composed it with Adesh. And yes, tomorrow, what we are going to be doing now in the Pro Kabaddi League is before all the matches, instead of just playing the national anthem, in all the venues, we will have the national anthem performed live. And yes, ये बहुत गर्व की बात है. And tomorrow at the inaugural match, Dad will be singing the first national anthem live for everybody. Yeah.
Abhishek, last year
And then we'll convince him to stay back and support the team also.
Abhishek, last year you guys had Amit ji, Aishwarya, and Sachin to promote your team. This time कुछ नया देख सकते हैं और कोई celebrities आएंगे आपकी टीम को कबड्डी को support.
सबसे पहले मैं आपको बता दूं, they were not there to promote the team, they were there to support the team. फर्क है. Aishwarya, Dad, Ma have been huge supporters of Pink Panthers, and obviously some of my friends came, and I'm very thankful. Farah, Baman, Shahrukh, Amir, Sunil Shetty ji, obviously God, Sachin Tendulkar was there as well. Obviously, as a team owner, I would like my friends to be present. This is not a strategy. This is just, they're my friends. They love the sport, and they want to come see it. And whoever wants to come is more than welcome. They'll all be invited. So it's not a strategy कि हम actors को बुलाएं. The issue is, हमारे परिवार में तो 4 हैं already. And I've invited my friends, and I hope they all, सब बहुत व्यस्त रहते हैं. I hope they can take out time and come. The great thing about Kabaddi is that it's a very short match. It's a 45-minute match. 20 minutes first half, half time for 5 minutes, 20 minutes. So I hope a lot of them can come. A lot of them have called and said, हम आना चाहते हैं. So I hope they'll come. But that is not a strategy or promotion. They're just there to show their love and support. It means a lot to these guys. It really means a lot to them. When they were there last year, first match, and to have somebody like Sachin Tendulkar, who I consider to be the greatest sportsman on earth, and for them as sportsmen to have Mr. Sachin Tendulkar in the stands supporting them means so much to them, you know. So I hope some of them can manage to come out.
And how excited is Aradhya for this?
For
this team?
She's excited. She's already learned how to do Thai 5. So yeah, she's excited.
Abhishek, hi. Sakhi here,
Hi.
right in the center from Times Now.
Hi.
First of all, congratulations for the great team and
Thank
best
you.
of luck for the season ahead.
Thank you.
My question is slightly different. Excuse me for asking this, but it is related to films, and you're an actor. Your mom...
So you're saying I'm an actor, right? Okay.
No,
When you review All Is Well, I'll keep that in mind. Huh?
Your mom was a pass out from FTII, and there's a little bit of a controversy happening with regards to the student strike, opposing the appointment of Gajendra Chauhan, who has been appointed as the chairman. You come from a family of veteran actors, and you are an actor, an important part of the film industry yourself. What is your take on this?
You know, this is a difficult question to answer. Because FTII is one of the premier film institutes that we have in the country, and it has produced historically some of the greats that have gone on to make great cinema in India. But it is a post that is appointed. There has to be a legal process that goes on to resolve any issue, and that's what should happen. People will agree, people will disagree. We're a democratic nation and it is our constitutional right. But there is a process that is in place and that process has to take its course. And I think we should all wait for that process to take its course.
अभिषेक सर, ICL हुआ, IPL हुआ, ये सब चीज़ें हो रही हैं, कबड्डी लीग भी हो रही, तो ये कमर्शियल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से और क्रिएटिव पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से आप इसको किस तरह देखते हैं? क्योंकि ये एक रेवेन्यू जनरेशन मॉडल का तरीका भी होता जा रहा है और ये उन गुणमान खिलाड़ियों को आगे ला रहा है जो ऑलरेडी उनको पैसा कमाने का एक तरीका भी दे रहा है, जो ऑलरेडी जिनको कोई रास्ता नहीं मिलता था वो छिपे हुए रहते थे, छिपा हुआ टैलेंट आगे कर रहा है। तो दोनों पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से मैं आपका आंसर चाहता हूं।